Johan cut the grass. It's so nice.
Ooh, we still have some green grass.
Yeah. Why did you cut that? Because of branches?
No, yeah, because there was branches. That's why it's not.
Over there?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to the potager to pick up some basil and parsley for dinner today. So we're coming. We'll show you what's happening to our greenhouse.
Okay, guys, let's go.
It's microphone. Yes, Novi,
Yeah.
let's go.
Hey, Bayel. Hi, son. Hi, Bayel. Hi.
Bayern!
Come here. Come, Bayel. Come on. Come on, Bayel. Come. He knows at 6 o'clock, that's when they eat. That's why he's coming now. Come on, Bayel. Come on, Bayel.
We have to fix this. Okay, we have to fix this bridge where Mary fell.
Yeah, she
Where
fell.
Mary fell. She fell down here.
Yeah.
And then she hit the stone on there. You don't see it now because this thing was on, but it's a piece
Yeah.
of stone, the big
Yeah.
rock there.
Yeah.
And that's when she hit. Her tummy hit there. And that's when she got internal bleeding. And we didn't know about it because she looked fine. But after that, she started to have symptoms of like she's sleeping all the time and she's walking slower and things like that. That doesn't have a feeling want to go. And then Johan and me, we just think that maybe it's her age,
Yeah.
but it wasn't.
So good?
Oh my God, smells so good. The best thing. Look my parsley. Okay, gonna close this. And this we use in. I can put in my dip.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You buy carrot,
Yeah, I
right?
did, yeah. It's chive. It's growing very good.
Yeah.
We have a watering system, so it's all getting about the same amount of water.
But we should not have too much either.
No.
Water they don't like. There we go. It's enough for today. So nice. I'm so happy that I have a lot of parsley because we use so much parsley.
Yeah. We've been away for over 2 years, so it's been painted already, and it's a rust proof. So at least we did the base work, but we're going to keep it this color.
Yeah.
We have the glass.
It's a Swedish company. They're very famous on
Yes.
this one.
Yeah.
It's not a thin liquid oil. It
No.
actually is like a thick oil paste, but it's a mixture of lean oil. We got the information from Hendrik,
Yeah.
the Chateau owner in center of France.
Yes. So we have all the glass, we have the cutting, we have everything. So this will be the next step, but we have to take away the tree that keeps on growing. We cut it, we keep those. We have to dig it out.
It's still fine, guys. It's not like we before where everything was rusted. Now it's no rust. What you see, the red is just paint.
Yeah, it's paint. This is not painted. This one's
Here,
not
when
painted.
it's not painted, it looks like this.
And here, it painted. You see the difference?
Oh, are you hungry? Oh my God, you talk a lot.
He's on the camera as well. You want the microphone? He's the only one that doesn't like to wear a necklace. He has some phobia against it since he was small. Oh, yeah.
Pick it up.
This is the painted color that we had rust protection. This is not rust protecting yet.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah. If you see here all the weed, I had to take everything out, put the protective membrane so the weed will not come through anymore, because once we have it enclosed in the greenhouse, it'll be hot in here, everything will grow even more. All the pathway here, you see, we've been cleaning this, and it comes back. So we would take all this up, put the protective membrane so it will let the weeds cannot go through, it can breathe, and then a new layer of stone, the same underneath here. all this area. So we won't have this, you know,
it's
growing.
weed
Yeah, we just keep
everywhere.
on taking weed. It comes back taking. So we try to we will minimize that because it takes a lot of energy and work to do weed. So Noppy, we're gonna go inside now. Oh, it's cool in here.
I can see the kitchen.
Okay, this is the kitchen downstairs.
So not much going on.
No, because we've been away for 2 years. The only time I've flown here is to check over, stay one night, and fly back again. So that's why nothing's happened since a few videos a couple of years ago. Nothing.
Our design is changed.
Yes.
We don't want to do like we did.
Like a built-in kitchen, we're gonna have a typical French style, also with single cabinets. But that's before these walls will still come down.
So what we plan is we're gonna knock down this wall and then have the worktop all the way in the back.
Yes.
And this section here, I will actually call it, it's like a section to do everything to do with meat and to do with dishwasher. That's what I plan.
Yes. The same, this wall will go down. So this wall is the one, it goes all the way down here. So this will all be knocked down. So you get a lot bigger space. So we gain the benefit
of light because here is 2 windows. You can see 2 windows.
Yeah,
it will be a lot of light in the kitchen in the future.
Yeah.
And this kitchen we will use more in summer.
We had looked for the chimney, which is behind here. It's at the moment it's blocked with some wood. We have to try to figure that out because we're gonna have a cook stove in this section here. So that will be heating during the winter months for that area there. But all of this will be going out into the annex. So we'll have people can come in there to prepare if they need to cook and stuff like that in that section instead.
We got some requirement from some chef. He has a restaurant. And I went to look, he has in Instagram, he want to have a wedding here next year, but we don't know what we be able to move all this thing out on time or not. So I don't want to crash someone with wedding.
I think it's in late summer next year, I think it was.
We can make it and we can rent it, the place out and gain some money for the chateau. Yeah, before that we need to do deep clean on them because they've never been deep clean. They clean, but we need to deep clean them.
Yeah, but we're still going to keep, we're happy with this, you know, we're cooking, we have the water.
Not exact one will be more changed.
But we have at least the water coming in, which is a plus.
Yeah, we
in 2
need
places. Because here it's good for them because when they need to fill water in these 2, right?
We're going to use this in winter when we have proper heat, and upstairs I will use it for breakfast and like light lunch.
Look, I have basil for you. Here we go. Wow. Oh, look at this. Looks
just waiting for basil because
there we go.
Not enough. Hopefully you take enough. How many you take these?
I think it's enough. Because you usually 1 leaf per piece, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Behind the scenes. Yes, that's no. Yeah, it's good. I took the ones that were flowering.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, starting to flower, yeah. Yeah. I looked back, we planted on the 2nd of July. So it's just over a month. Oh, yo! I have this here so it doesn't blow away. Okay. Oh, the sauce. Bon appétit. Bobby, bon appétit.